What does it truly take to run a hospital that is not only healing but also safe, reliable, and trustworthy? The answer lies in three critical, yet often unseen foundations: the physical environment we create, the people we empower, and the information we steward. These are the pillars that hold up everything we do. Pillar 1. The resilient environment. Our physical backbone. First, let's talk about our physical plant, the very building and systems that allow healing to happen. This is far more than bricks and mortar. It is a living, breathing life support system. It means ensuring that clean water and reliable power are available 24/7, with robust backup systems that are tested regularly. It involves the safe management of medical gases, ensuring a lifeline for our most critical patients is never compromised. Safety is woven into the very fabric of our facility. This includes monthly safety inspections, clear signage, and secure handling of hazardous materials. It demands a proactive fire and emergency plan, practiced regularly through mock drills, so everyone knows how to react under pressure. And behind the scenes, a rigorous maintenance program keeps every piece of equipment, from a simple bed rail to a complex MRI machine, in safe working order. This physical backbone is non-negotiable. It is the stable platform upon which all patient care is delivered. Pillar 2. The human heart, our valued staff. But the most advanced facility is nothing without its people. Our second pillar is our human resource, the skilled and compassionate individuals who are the heart of our hospital. This begins with hiring the right people and verifying their qualifications through a rigorous process, ensuring that every clinician is privileged to perform only the procedures they are skilled to do. Once here, we invest in them. A comprehensive induction and ongoing training program is essential, covering everything from patient rights and infection control to CPR and emergency response. We don't just train for skills, we foster a culture of safety and quality. We are also committed to the well-being of our staff. This means conducting health checks, preventing workplace violence, and creating fair systems for performance appraisal and grievance handling. Because when we care for our staff, they are empowered to provide the best possible care for our patients. Pillar 3. The informational nervous system, our data and records. The third pillar connects everything, our information management system. If our staff are the heart and our facility is the body, then our data is the central nervous system, carrying vital information to every part of the organization. This system ensures that every patient has a complete, accurate, and confidential medical record that tells the full story of their care. Every entry is signed, timed, and dated, creating a clear and accountable narrative. We also protect this information fiercely. Confidentiality, security, and controlled access are paramount. We have clear policies for how long to retain records and how to destroy them safely, always respecting patient privacy. And we use this data to improve. Through regular record reviews, we check for completeness and accuracy, identifying trends that help us enhance the quality and safety of care for every single patient. In conclusion, these three pillars, our resilient environment, our valued staff, and our trusted information, are deeply interconnected. A safe building allows our staff to work effectively. Well-trained staff create accurate records. Good data informs how we maintain our environment and develop our people. Together, they create more than just compliance. They build a proactive culture of quality and safety. This is the blueprint for a hospital that doesn't just treat illness, but fosters true healing and earns the enduring trust of its community. I hope you enjoyed the video. Would appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can reach more listeners like yourself. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and continue exploring the world of healthcare with us. I remain your host, Sunday Clement. Thanks for listening.